Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Do you know what day it is today? Wait, of course. Well, yeah, everybody knows it's Easter. No, but they don't know what the date is. Oh, the date. Okay. Can you tell us what the last shape is that we drew on the pattern? Can you? Can you see it up there? Way up there? It's an orange square. Yep. An orange square. And we need to figure out what the shape for today is. But first, we need to know what yesterday was. Let's go. This is an orange square, and that was the shape that we did yesterday. So yesterday was Saturday, April 3rd, 2021. So if this was the square from yesterday, we need to go one square over, except there's no more squares there. So we need to come down and then go back to the beginning of the row. And this one will be today. What do you think we should put in for the shape? Should we continue our pattern, draw a new shape, or do you think we should put the first shape from the beginning of the calendar in there? It is Easter, right? See, it says Easter, right? It's Easter. So maybe we should put the Easter egg on there. Are you ready? Can you draw an Easter egg on your paper while we draw an Easter egg on our calendar? If you don't have a paper, you can just do it in the air with your finger. Okay, are you ready? I got a purple marker! Yay! Oh, good, Flippy. Can I help you with the lid? Yes, please. Oh, whew, that was a tough one. Okay, so what do I need to draw? You need to draw an Easter egg. Oh, great. That's a triangle, right? No, Flippy. Is it a rectangle? No, Flippy. It's an oval. Oh, an oval. Okay. I'll start at the top. I'll go around and come back up to the top. Is that an oval? Yes, Flippy. Good job. What color do we need now? Well, Flippy, can you color in the top of the purple? Oh, we forgot to color the top purple. Color. Okay, now what color do we need? Yellow. Oh, okay. I got it. Okay. Color in the middle there. Like that. Oh, very good, Flippy. Whew. Now what color do I need? You need pink. Oh, pink. I got it. Good job. Whew, that was a tough one. I'll color it in. There, we got it. Yay! Good job. Thank you for helping us with that. So now that we know which square is for today, we can figure out what the name of the day is. Do you know what the day is today? We'll figure it out together. Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Oh, good guesses. Let's count them up together and say their names. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you for singing that with me. It makes it much more fun when we do it together. So if this is the square for today, we go up the column and it tells us that it's Sunday. And Sunday begins with a capital S. And capital S sounds like S. Can you do that? Go S. Thank you. Good job. Floppy, do you know some words that start with S? Ooh, S. That's a good letter. Well, what about slippery or stinky? Ooh, those are good words. Yeah, so capital S-U-N-D-A-Y spells Sunday. Sunday. Does the sun shine today? Oh, Flippy, it could. I hope it's shining today. But just because it's Sunday doesn't mean that it's going to be sunny out. Oh, okay. So Sunday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with us? Sunday. Oh, good job, good job. Let's try it again. Sunday. Excellent. Let's put Sunday into our agenda. Oh, what if they don't have an agenda? It's okay, Flippy. It's okay if they don't have an agenda. They can just practice with us in the air with their finger. Okay. Are you ready? Do you have an agenda? Or are you going to practice in the air with us? Ooh, like magic. Ooh, magic. Okay, Flippy, let's go get our agenda. Okay, Flippy, do you have a crayon? I got one. It's purple. For Easter, purple. Good job, Flippy. Let's put in the first 2 words of our sentence. And our first 2 words are today is. Okay, and today has a capital because it's the first word in our sentence. And so it's capital T-O-D-A-Y. And then the next word is I-S. And then Sunday, capital S because it's the name of our day. U-N-D-A-Y, and then a comma. Oh, I'm sorry that it's messy. It's hard to print in these big crayons and paper. This comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is our month. And do you remember how many months there are? Good guessing. Let's count them up and say their names together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Do you remember what month we're in? That's right, the 4th one from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 is April. April, we're in April right now. And we put it at the top of the calendar here. Do you see? A-P-R-I-L. April. And April has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with us? April. Good job. April. Excellent. Flippy, can you go get the crayon? Oh, yes. Today is Sunday, comma, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to come all the way down and go back to the beginning, and I'm going to put a capital M because March is the name of our... It's not March anymore! Oh, no! It's okay, Flippy. It's okay. Just color it out. Now start with the next one for April. Okay. Capital A because April is the name of our month. P-R-I-L. And next we're going to do the number. What do you think the number for today is? Wow, good guesses. Let's go up to the top and see if we can figure it out together. This was the number for yesterday, and what is that? What is it? I hear you. What is it? 3! Good job. And when we count, we say 3, but when we put it in the calendar, we say third. Can you say third? Third. Good job. Okay, so what do you think the number for today is? What comes after 3? Let's go over here and count all the way up to today and see if we're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And we gotta go back over here. 4. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so exciting. Let's put it in the calendar. I'm going to print a 4 in here, and you can try put a 4 on your paper. If you don't have a paper, you can magically draw it in the air. Are you ready? Flippy, I got you a marker. Oh, thank you. Okay, will you help me take off the lid? Pull. Why is this? Oh, that was tough. Okay. Okay, so a 4 is at the top, and we go down a little bit, and then across. Woo! And then we go back up to the top, and we strike it down like that. That's a 4. And when we count, we say 4. But when we put it in the calendar, we say 4th. Can you say 4th? Try it with me again one more time. 4th. Good job. Now, let's count backwards. Yay! Okay, are you ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! That was great, Flippy. That was wonderful. Thank you. Where do you think that spaceship is going? Easter Island? Oh, Flippy, you don't need a spaceship to go to Easter Island. Okay, the number is 4. Let's say the whole sentence together. Today is Sunday, comma, April 4th. Start up. stop at the top, go across, go back up, and down. And then another comma. And this comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top here. Do you see it? It's 2021. Or you can say 2021. Let's put it in here into our agenda. 2, 0, 2, 1. Oh, I almost ran out of room. Is there enough room for a period? Oh, there is. Whew. Okay, so can you say the whole sentence with me one more time? Today is Sunday, April 4th, 2021. And next I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to 4. As you can tell, I need a lot of practice. Like a lot. So you can practice on your paper or you can practice in the air with your finger like magic. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew! That was great, Flippy. That was great. Now, let's draw what we're going to do today. It's so exciting. Aren't you excited about it, Flippy? Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I'm so excited about it. Me too. Let's get our Easter egg baskets and get going. Wait. We got to draw it on the board. So today's Easter, and our cousin, the Easter Bunny, came and delivered Easter eggs for us. Yay! So, I'm going to color an Easter egg. Can you color an Easter egg or something that you're going to do today on your paper? If you don't have a paper, you can practice in the air or you can just follow along with us, okay? So I'm going to draw an Easter egg. I'm going to go round and I'm going to draw a stripe up here. Oh, I need to get another color. And then this color. Oh. I need another color. Oh, what else? Yellow. I need another color. Orange! Oh, Flippy, it's looking great! Good job! Wait, I need one more color. What color should I get? Pink! Oh, pink is my favorite! I love pink! Okay, Flippy, you know what you need to do now? I don't know what that was. Well, that's okay, Flippy. But now you need to print your name at the bottom. Do you know how to print your name? Oh, I don't. Can you tell me how to spell my name? Yes, Flippy, I can. Okay, F. Oh, wait, they need to practice their name too. Oh, yes. Can you practice your name while Flippy is practicing his name? And if you don't have a paper, you can practice in the air with your magic fingers. Okay. So, Flippy, your first word is F. F. And I need a capital because it's my name, right? Yes, Flippy. Next, you do an L. L. And then an I. And then a P. P. And then another P. P. And then a Y. Y. Whew. Thanks, Floppy. I really needed your help with that. Whew. Now we can put our agenda away. Oh, no. Some kids don't know how to make their letters yet. So we need to help them learn at least one letter today. Oh, sure. Let's go back over here. Flippy, can you get a crayon? Oh, yes, I can. Okay. So this is the letter A. Help me out. Oh, good. So for the letter A, you start up here and you come all the way down. And then you go up to the top and come all the way down. Good job, Flippy. And then across. Oh, that's tough work. Now you've made a capital A. Okay, now I need to do a little A. All the way in a big circle and then a line down. Good job, Flippy. If you practice one letter every day, eventually you will get really good and make all the letters in the alphabet so that you can print too. Oh yeah, so good. Thank you for helping us with the agenda and the calendar. How are you feeling today? It looks like Celine was excited yesterday. What was she excited about yesterday? Oh, World Party Day. Did you have a party? Did you find a rainbow? Oh, yes. Celine made a rainbow out of her pictures. On her picture, she drew a picture of a rainbow. Yeah. Okay, Floppy. I got them. Oh, look at this happy face. Am I happy today? What do you think? Am I happy? I think I might be happy. It's Easter and I got to help with the calendar today. What about confused or nervous? Maybe I'm nervous, Flippy. Are you nervous, Flippy? I am nervous. I'm nervous. Oh, or confused maybe? Let's see. What else is there? What other options do we have? Oh, we've got angry. I think this one is angry. Are you angry? I don't think I'm angry. Are you angry, Flippy? Oh, no. Not angry at all. Okay, what about sad? No way. Can't be sad on Easter. Well, sometimes people can be sad on Easter. I think we're still excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I'm excited too. It's Easter, and Easter Bunny came and left us some chocolates. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, so delicious. And our kind thing today is we're going to share our chocolate eggs that we find. We're going to share our eggs with our friends and our family, anybody that's here. Sometimes some people may not have gotten any eggs, and that's okay too, but we're going to share with people so that we can feel good and that they can have something yummy with us. We hope you have a great day, and we hope you have an excellent Easter. Wait. Yes, Flippy? It's also National Carrot Day! Eat your carrots. They're good for your eyes. Eat your carrots. Your nose fell off. Ooh, thank you, Flippy. It's okay. No problem. That's my kind thing for today. Eat your carrots, kids. And have fun with Easter. Spend lots of time with your family. Have a great day.
Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.